everyone, this is Samriddhi Shukla,
And I'm Rohit Purohit,
and today with E Times we are going to play Cracking the Code.
cracking the code.
He's very calm. I don't know if that's a quality in an actor, but it's a good quality in a co-actor to have. He's not very,
I hope it is.
yeah, he's not very noisy. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's good.
No, I do make noise.
He
while-
sings all the
yeah.
time, all the time, all the time, matlab all,
All
the
the
time,
time.
all the time.
And about her, the quality that she's a phenomenal actor. सबसे बड़ी quality तो यही है. Yeah.
He's a lovely human being. I think he's very calm, composed, very accommodating. That's the first thing I was like, oh my god, that's very nice that he's very accommodating and collaborative. Because when you have maximum scenes with one person and if they are collaborative and they are understanding, it really brings, a lot of comfort.
I think it's the same with her. She's also very, very easy to work with. And as I said, that she's a wonderful actor. So the give and take is very natural. And, the atmosphere on the set is very easy and, fun.
And don't think he's shy. He's just being. He's a much more experienced actor, and he's just being very modest about
But
himself.
I'm like this only, but
Calm and composed.
yeah, it's been a long time though.
Yeah, it's
since
been
we're
a
shooting.
long time.
It,
Although
it
it
is
has
not.
not, but
Yeah.
it has also. I don't remember.
So,
What was the first day.
The first day when our first scene was that bhang scene, that jalebi scene we
Oh,
shot
yeah,
together.
that was the first
Yeah,
one.
so that was the first scene, and memories. We did not communicated much off screen on the first day because I had my entry shoot and it was very hectic because I had to dance and everything.
He was dancing for 6-7 hours.
6-7 hours, not 6-7. Not only me, everyone was dancing. Everyone was
Yeah,
dancing.
like everyone.
Yeah, because it was a big grand
Entry.
sequence. So yeah, it took around 6-7 hours.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was fun. So we are actually trying to know each other because now we are doing scenes more often. So it's fine. It's good. फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन तो मेरा जब सीन साथ में किया तभी था. आई गॉट टू नो दैट शी इज़ रिलेटिवली न्यू एंड इट्स योर सेकेंड शो.
Second show.
But I found out that she is very mature and she knows her craft. And it is very rare to see a new actor is so confident about herself and an actor who knows her craft very well. So it became very easier for me also because I had some jitters in my stomach. Ki it's a new show, expectations are there, and she's been shooting with the other actor since 5-6 months. So I don't know how she'll react, but she was very supportive and very nice person to work with.
Thank you.
Apart from being an actor.
I could see like a lot of nervousness. I don't know. I've not said it to you, but
Yeah.
I could see like because if you see from his perspective, starting a show is different. अगर Gen 4 के beginning से आते तो that would have been really different because we are developing the character. So introduction of the. Now here he's jumping right in the middle of when things are already high.
And everybody was actually telling me about the character. Ki, okay,
Yeah.
Arman is like this, Arman is
And
like
that
this.
becomes too
So
much.
because I was not Arman on the first day, obviously. So yes, I was nervous and I kind of like that thing when you are nervous, you are more, you are ready to receive basically. So I was nervous and it was a good
Nervous is
feeling.
good.
Good feeling, yeah.
Yeah, nervous is a good feeling. I think it also shows that how sincere or scared you are, to not
it-
mess it up because कितनी बड़ी
या इट्स अ बिग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड मैं जब भी काम करता हूँ हर बार मुझे खुद ऐसा फील होता है दैट इट्स माय फर्स्ट शो. तो मुझे इतने साल काम करने के बाद कभी भी किसी भी सेट पर इनिशियल टाइम पर ऐसा लगा नहीं कि मैं पहले काफ़ी काम कर चुका हूँ बिकॉज हर कैरेक्टर अलग है, हर टीम अलग है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अलग है, एक्सपेक्टेशंस अलग है. So good nervousness it was. Oh, I just told her today only. I saw that scene where she's getting down staircase से and उसको अरमान से जब प्यार होता है and that scene was really nice. I was watching that scene with Sheena and उस scene की हर line के बाद में मतलब मैं ऐसे देख रहा था और इधर से आवाज़ आई थी so cute हर बार. सो इट वाज अ वेरी वेरी गुड सीन, क्योंकि वो वो जो बहुत आसान फीलिंग नहीं थी वो, और वो इतनी ब्यूटीफुल फीलिंग को इतना ब्यूटीफुली पोर्ट्रे करना ऑन स्क्रीन, क्योंकि आप रियल में तो फील कर सकते हो बट ऑन स्क्रीन पोर्ट्रे करना इतना नेचुरली और इतना इनोसेंस के साथ में फर्स्ट लव को, इट वाज वेरी वेरी नाइस, वेरी वेरी नाइस.
what did you say? No. I will tell you, while we were shooting, because I always observe. So I saw वो क्रिश वाला जो सीन था, Krish, I and Arman. So the moment when he hugs him and when he's saying all those lines and वो feeling and वो जो आँखों में वो जो था, I could see your eyes really expressing and I was like, wow, that is beautiful. That is really nice. I can see some, you know, that brotherly wala wo, he was not saying any dialogue but I could see how expressive his eyes were and I thought that was fantastic.
Yeah, that was a good scene.
I didn't see that episode, but like I saw the scene happen right in front of me, and I loved it. कुछ episodes मुझसे miss हो जाते हैं, इसीलिए. But of course I'm shooting with everybody all the time, so I can say it. Yeah, I did, and he is fantastic. And let me tell you, he has brought another flavor to the character of Arman, and which is working out beautifully. And I'm sure the audiences also will love it. I don't
We're
remember.
letting the ice break. अभी भी वो
I
phase.
remember when the ice broke for the three of us actually together
On the promo day?
On the promo
Yeah.
day. So we were talking about a lot of here
Personal
and there
stuff also.
because of course promos mein there's more time to kill and less time to work.
Yeah.
So we were talking more about here and there ka gossips and everything, and that's when the ice broke.
Yeah.
And we also then met Sheena the next day, I
Yeah.
think, the very next day.
Next day. Yeah. सी अभी हमको शूट करते इतना टाइम ही नहीं हुआ है कि मेरे को अनॉय करे यार. मैं इस तरह का इंसान हूँ कि मुझे कोई भी चीज़ें अफेक्ट करती नहीं है. अनॉय तो बहुत दूर की बात हो जाती है. मैं सबको अपना अपना फ्रीडम देता हूँ और मैं अपना फ्रीडम खुद इंजॉय करता हूँ. सो टिल द टाइम वी आर प्रोफेशनल, हम लोग काम अच्छा कर रहे हैं. बाकी हैबिट किसकी क्या अनॉय करेगी, अभी तक तो इतना टाइम हुआ भी नहीं साथ में शूट
Correct,
करके कि
that
कोई भी चीज़ अनॉइंग लगे. एंड जितना
Maybe
मैं
2-3 महीने बाद we will have new things that we
मे बी
Discover.
एंड दूसरी चीज़ जो अगर वो अपना काम अच्छा करे, आई थिंक शी इज़ अ वेरी सॉर्टेड पर्सन. तो ऐसा कुछ अनोइंग वाली तो कोई फीलिंग अभी तक आई नहीं.
nahi, he's really easy, he's very calm, composed, he's very shant. What I heard and overheard, which was told to you also, what his not for me but for other people is his singing.
हाँ
एक दो लोगों ने बोला
नहीं किसी ने नहीं एक्चुअली किसी ने बोला नहीं. वो मुझे सिर्फ ऐसा अंदर से लगता है कि शायद कभी मुझे पता नहीं होगा कि आई एम जस्ट हमिंग एंड कोई.
But trust me, that's such a harmless thing to do. He's just singing all the time, which is so lovely. He's keeping himself happy. That's what you
Yeah,
want.
because I talk less with other people, so I keep singing. So मेरा थोड़ा सा facial exercise भी हो जाता है, vocal exercise भी हो जाता है, and I be in my own zone. So वो है. Just be the way you are. You are. अगर मैं senior बन के अगर कोई advice देना चाहूँगा तो ये देना चाहूँगा that you are on a good track. Just keep focusing on your work and जिस तरह से काम करो, just keep doing it. You are very very good.
Thank you. I want him to change his mug. I told him.
Okay.
I told him कि his mug says peace, and he already is very peaceful and he's already very zen. I was like, you
So
need
you want me
something
to
else on
go
your mug.
crazy? You want me to go crazy
Yeah,
on set?
something mixed something.
अच्छा, okay. That
So
will
put something
see. That's
else on your mug.
that's a completely different part of my personality, which will I'm sure come
out someday.
हाँ someday. So अभी चलने दो.
थोड़ी दिन बाद मैंने आपसे बोला 2-3 महीने बाद आओ, फिर धीरे-धीरे सब पता चलेगा. बढ़ जाएगी ज़्यादा.
बढ़ जाएगी. और मेरा परसेप्शन दो लोगों के पास दो तरह का रहता है. एक रहता है एक्सट्रीमली नॉटी एंड वन इज़ लाइक. तो मैं जब तक नहीं ओपन अप होता हूँ तब तक आई एम इनटू माई सेल्फ, और फिर एक बार ओपन अप होने के बाद जिनके साथ भी मैं कंफर्टेबल होता हूँ, सो देन आई एम वेरी एंटरटेनिंग. सो जस्ट वेट फॉर दैट
Waiting for that.
टाइम.
Wait for it, guys. Wait for it. We'll do this again once when.
बट शी इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट दैट क्रेजी टाइप्स की यू नो आप पागलपन करते रहो आसपास. तो आई रिस्पेक्ट हर पर्सनैलिटी ऑल्सो कि मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो उस तरह की पर्सनैलिटी है समृद्धि की
मेरी
कि
भी
जिसको
दो personalities हैं
हाँ बस तो विल वेट फॉर दोज पर्सनैलिटी टू क्लैश एंड मीट. फैंस को यही मैसेज, जस्ट कीप लविंग अस. इतने कम टाइम में समृद्धि और मेरी जोड़ी को भी आप लोगों ने इतना पसंद किया है, और जिस तरह से एवरी डे आप इतने अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स कर रहे हैं, और आप लोगों को केमिस्ट्री इतनी अच्छी लग रही है, काम इतना अच्छा लग रहा है. सो जस्ट कीप एंजॉइंग, विल गिव आवर 100% हर सीन के अंदर, एंड विल ट्राई एंड कीप यू एंटरटेन.
यस, एंड अभी ये रिश्ता में हम बहुत बड़ा अपना वो एक सबसे बड़ा सस्पेंस था, वन ऑफ द सस्पेंसेस व्हिच वाज अबीरा फाइंडिंग आउट गोएंकास के बारे में, वो हम धीरे धीरे करके एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं. सो दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ थ्रिलिंग राइड. ये बहुत एंटरटेनिंग होने वाला है, आपके लिए बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग होगा. कैसे पता चलेगा नहीं पता चलेगा, अरमान को पता चलेगा क्या होगा, तो ये सब जानना. एंड मैं भी आई एम ऑल्सो करेंटली वेरी एक्साइटेड, ही इज़ ऑल्सो एक्साइटेड, सो वी आर ऑल वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड होप यू गाइज वॉच इट एंड होप यू लाइक इट.
और हर थोड़े टाइम में हम लोग आपको प्यारे प्यारे ड्रीम सीक्वेंसेस तो
हाँ, वो
देते ही
आज
रहेंगे.
भी हमने दो
वो आज
song
भी हमने एक
sequences
सॉन्ग
किया है.
शूट किया.
So I know आपके लिए IPL का मैच ज़रूरी होगा, लेकिन हम भी ज़रूरी है.
इट्स नॉट दैट इम्पोर्टेंट. मैं खुद IPL का इतना फैन हूँ, बट आई एम नॉट वॉचिंग दैट नाउ. नो IPL.